Good morning, Teresa here, and today we're going to make chicken noodle soup, or in my family, we call it the vapors. Probably called the vapors because that steam would rise on up, and if you had a bad cold or your sinuses were all clogged, you just stand over that pot. Speaking of pots, you cannot make soup in my family unless you've got Big Soup. Big Sue the soup pot. If you can't fill this pot with your soup, then you do not deserve to call yourself one of our family members. And I am a family member, and I fill Big Sue all the time. All right, so today, chicken noodle soup. Last night, I boiled the water. I threw that big old chicken in the pot, with the skin and the bones and all that. And it was like boiling all over the place and steaming up the joint. And then this morning, I took it out and I cleaned off all that chicken, right? The good stuff. I'm still making a face because it just grosses me out. I'm going to tell you why in a second. Always do this the day before the garbage comes so you can get rid of the carcass, not 5 days before and it's sitting in the garbage can. And the next thing you know, what do you think you got? Maggots. A whole lot of maggots. I may never eat rice again. It's disgusting. Anyway, I digress. So you have your chicken. Now you have a lovely broth that you put 4 carrots, 3 stalks of celery, a big old onion, a piece of garlic, and a bay leaf, salt, and pepper. In that water with that chicken, boil for 3 hours, get that chicken out, let that broth sit overnight. Okay, so then you strain it the next day, and you have your lovely broth. Now, the other secret is we like, in our family, a little bit more of a creamy broth. Not thick, but not thin, not clear. Okay, and the way we do this is 2 things. Number 1, we use it says better than bouillon, roasted chicken. And this is a concentrated bouillon. You just get it at your grocery store and keep it in the refrigerator. It lasts for a long time. You just need about 4 good tablespoons to 4 cups of water, in addition to the broth that you already made. Okay. The other thing is we always use Ream's homestyle noodles, egg noodles. That's right. I only use 1 pack in Big Soup because otherwise it gets too thick. If you like it thicker, throw in another pack. What do I care? It's your soup. All right, so I'm going to head over to the stove. I'm going to finish up everything, and then I'll come back, and we'll see how we went. All right.